Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. I am back again with an idea to decorate the junk journal pages. If you're new to seeing this video series, I have a playlist that is called Junk Journal Page Decoration, where I created a video for each idea to decorate the page. So if you have the white page syndrome, you can go there, pick an idea, and just try to copy it to your best, your own version. So, yeah, it's for inspiration. They're not complicated, it's easy to do. It's just a matter of, sometimes we just don't want to think. We're just out of ideas, but we want to create something. So, we can use those videos as a reference to just copy that and do something. So you need a paper, a design paper, and you're gonna cut it a way that it's almost at least more than half the page. And as you can see, when I trimmed it, it's not like a straight line. I created a wave in the paper because this is the pocket. So we want to glue only 3 sides and use it as a pocket. So first I'm gonna decorate the top of the paper, and then we're gonna create something to go inside the pocket. I'm using my Miss Lily Elsie kit here because I love the look of that lady. She's so Victorian and it fits my style so well. So the card, I'm using my fingers and I'm just damaging the sides. As you can see, I'm folding. There's no technique there. Just don't be too soft. Like, you can create more than not enough. I find it's best when I create more. And as you can see, I can create big folds because anyway, I'm gonna flatten the card at the end and it will just look damaged but not so folded at the end. And I'm using ink a bit everywhere. Look at that. Yeah, that's just perfect. Here it's kind of a tissue paper that I embossed, the 3D embossed with the Big Shot machine. So what I like about the tissue paper, it's that I can kind of fold it easily, and it's gonna give a dimension to the paper, but it won't be too bulky. So now I'm just playing with seeing how I can manage the folds, and you just add one fold here and there, not overthinking the process. This is my favorite way to glue. When I place my stuff and the papers, and I like how it ended there, I glue just a portion and then I move around and I glue the remaining. So one more fold, and now I can glue the whole thing. You're gonna see I'm trying to avoid the sides where there's no card, where it's just a tissue paper, just because I don't want to have the glue seeking through. So I'm trying to not put too much there on the sides. But when I have no choices, it's because there's a fold anyway. So even if I put a little bit of glue, that should not leak through. Now the pocket. I've trimmed a postcard and left a little band of white around because I want to glue kind of a ruffle. So I'm gonna use that white space to glue my lace, and it won't hide too much the card itself because it has lots of details, and I just didn't want to hide it too much. So adding a white space around is the perfect way to make it a little bit larger, but of course we need to cover the white space. Now again, at the back my card was white, and I'm not really a fan of leaving white back of cards. So my favorite way to cover is always a coffee stain tracing paper that I tear the sides, and it creates more dimension at the same time, and it's cute looking, and we can still add some journaling on top of it using a Sharpie pen, of course, not necessarily any kind of pen because it's tracing paper. But anyway, look at the look, it's great. And I just need to add now a little bit of laces or chiffon silk. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the hot glue and just glue it, but you could definitively use a sewing machine and sew a ruffle there. It's just my lazy way to do a ruffle. It's using the hot glue. I love it with the spatula to create the folds, and it's a perfect shabby chic style this way. All right, I'm gonna use one more lace here just to add more dimension, but of course you could do a real collage of laces there with 3, 4, 5, whatever decoration. I'll just go simple for this video, but we want to use it as a page decoration, and it's at the same time acting to block the card to go too deep inside the pocket, as you can see. So it's a decoration, but it blocks the card as well. And just a little detail, I added one of my tab labels to decorate this corner there, which was missing a little bit of decorations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.